What's up, guys? Hope you like this video. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all that stuff down there.
Alright guys, I'm sorry we haven't had a video in a little bit, but the boys are back.
Also, hit that bell notification so you can get all of our stuff sent to you quick. And YouTube deleted some of our videos.
Alright guys, bang bang.
Whatever you say I am. If I wasn't, then why would I say I am? In the paper, the news, every day
Yeah. And that's, as I said, it's so it looks wider compared to this. I don't have a problem with
Special assistance needed at the outdoor power equipment gap. Special assistance needed.
No, I'm sorry. The restroom is down here to the right. Yeah. So back here, if you go straight down there and to the right, the restroom's right there, sir. Yep. All right. You guys have a good day.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Don't be embarrassed. It's fine. Everybody does it.
Guys, the bathroom is that way. I'm just letting y'all know.
It's down there.
Is it? Yeah, I think it is. I think it's right like that way. Yeah.
Yeah, take the left.
Yeah, right back that way. Is that right? Yeah.
Why are you asking questions?
I'm telling them because I think one of them just like ripped it. I mean,
That's what happened.
that's what I heard happen. I mean,
You're right.
all right. I just want to make sure.
Okay.
Thanks for your justification, though.
Yep, you're right.
Oh, I failed, dude. My bad. Whew. Oh.
Assistance needed at the Fashion Plumbing Desk. Special assistance needed at the Fashion Plumbing Desk.
Finger poke. Come out of there. Come on. There you go. Good job.
Do you smell that fart?
I'm going to the restroom though.
Yeah.
Those aren't related. The restroom and that, not related.
No. That was you, wasn't it? I mean, that's what it sounded like to me. I see him as I call him as I see him.
Cream and brown. Cream and brown curtains.
Shit. Oh.
That one hurt. My bad. I know it is.
Man, the restroom is I think down here and to the left. Right?
Not you. That wasn't her.
It wasn't me, no.
I heard you fart.
It wasn't me. I didn't do it.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I didn't. I don't think I did it.
Get out of there. Oh, there we go. I knew I needed to get that out of there. Gotta slap it out of there sometime. No.
There she's standing right there.
Well, dude, you can't help when it comes out. It's a prank, bro. It's a prank, what? Yeah, no, we're YouTubers, man. Yeah, we're YouTubers, man. No, dude, no, we're YouTubers. Sorry, no, dude.
You should have walked him just punch him in the face.
I got scared of I was like, do I keep fucking with you or not, man? No, thank you, dude. No, we're YouTubers. There's a camera out there, man.
But I'm glad cause they feed me the fuel that I need for the fire to burn